Um, I heard I heard this when I woke up on Tuesday. My mom told me that she was the ferry the the ferry
Yeah, two ferries.
two ferries sank.
One ferry sank.
One ferry sank, and I feel it's okay. So, and then but after my mom said that two people died, and how many was rescued again?
Quite a few. I'm not
Yeah,
sure.
quite a few were safe, and in there was few kids, and I think few kids died, and I was sad, and I was surprised about that, and uh, when I when I when I heard that, I saw like why did it happen, and my mom explained to me that because the one ferry and the one boat crashed, and then that one ferry sank, and that one ferry was watching the firework, and that time I was also watching the firework, and it's kind of weird now because why, and after that the captain crew was arrested, and I want to know about why did the crew was arrested. I think there's no proof. Thank you. How about you, Penny?
Yeah, I heard about this on Monday, on the day it happened, from my mom. She looked on the internet and she just found it. She told me 8 people died instantly. It was one ferry, which was more like a private ferry. They're like corporate. It's like mostly for, you can book them. They're more for corporate affairs. And there was another one. There's just a public ferry. You can buy tickets for, kind of like a Macau ferry. It was a twin hulled yacht, I think it was. Since that, I learned that 2 people died, and a bunch were rescued, and also some kids were rescued too. Which, like some kids died too, which I found pretty sad. I'm wondering like how, and also the crews of both boats were arrested. Because like the captain of the public ferry was actually an experienced captain. He'd been sailing apparently for years, and he was pretty experienced. So they're wondering why this happened. And this is apparently the most lethal boat accident in 40 years, since 1971. And yeah, I'm wondering, how did this happen? Why did it happen? It was around 8:30, I think, and it was pretty near Lamar Island actually. And also I'm wondering why didn't the larger ferry stop to help? Because the smaller ferry was actually sinking, and boats can sink pretty fast. I know that, but I don't know why they didn't help them. I don't think they should have been
I
arrested.
think I can answer that question.
But
what was the question again?
why didn't they stop to help them?
Because I think near them, around them, I think there were no boats.
No, why the other boat stop to help? Did not stop to help them?
I think because also that boat was looking at the fireworks. This is my opinion, but
I don't think they would be looking at the fireworks, because this was actually before the fireworks. So yeah, I don't know. And normally you don't just look at fireworks when your boat crashed.
Yeah, I know.
So yeah, I don't know why this happened. I'm not sure. But anyways, that's all for today.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.